Sound of a violent hiss and a whip-crack strike. It's not just a squeeze, it's an industrial hydraulic press. Sound of machete chopping wood and heavy jungle ambience.
We are tracking a ghost, a 24-foot eating machine.
Deep in these jungles, one predator has perfected the art of the ambush. Meet the reticulated python, the longest reptile on Earth.
Look at this drag mark. This animal is heavier than a motorbike. If he hits you, it feels like getting struck by a baseball bat.
He doesn't chase. He waits, sometimes for days.
See these recurved teeth? Yeah, they act like fishhooks. Once they latch on, physics makes escape impossible.
Their jaws aren't hinged like ours. They are connected by elastic ligaments.
That allows Titan to swallow prey 5 times the size of his head.
Night has fallen. Night has fallen. This is when the kill zone activates.
Sound of heartbeats thumping loudly. These pits detect body heat. He sees you before you see him.
We are close. I can smell the musk.
Sound of crickets and a sudden snap of a twig.
Meet Titan, a massive 24-foot reticulated python, the jungle's true apex predator.
Don't move.
Sound of heavy scales sliding on bark.
He is measuring us, calculating if we are food or threat.
People think pythons suffocate prey by stopping the breath. That is a myth. It is much faster and more violent.
Circulatory arrest. The pressure cuts off blood to the heart.
Unconsciousness happens in seconds, not minutes.
The speed of the coil is faster than the human eye can process.
Now, walk into play. Watch the synchronization.
Every time the prey exhales, Titan tightens.
He is removing the empty space in the lungs.
The struggle is over. Now begins the impossible task of consumption. But what happens when humans encroach on Titan's territory? Palm oil plantations bring workers deep into the snake's living room.
This edge is the danger zone, the perfect hunting ground.
Titan adapts. He doesn't fear us.
Last year, a farmer went missing right here.
He was just cutting grass for his cattle.
They found him inside a 23-foot python. Sound of wind and a low, ominous bass drone.
SFX. Intense, low-frequency rumble mixed with jungle insects.
Fresh drag marks. Heavy. He is hunting right now.
SFX, snuffling of a boar, birds going silent.
SFX. Complete silence. Heartbeat thump. SFX. Sharp inter of breath.
SFX, loud thud of impact and a squeal.
SFX, thrashing sounds and breaking branches.
At strike speed, it rivals a viper. Pure kinetic energy.
SFX. Leather stretching sound and deep groaning.
People think it's suffocation. It's not. It's not.
SFX, rhythm of a fading heartbeat. It's circulatory arrest. He cuts off the blood flow instantly. SFX, jungle ambience returns. Cicadas buzzing. SFX, wet tongue flick sound.
He's vulnerable while eating. I'm going in for a sample.
SFX. Boots squelching in mud. Heavy breathing.
Sharp heads.
Whoa. He sensed the vibration of my boots.
SFX, low, threatening growl hiss. I'm inside the strike zone. One mistake here is fatal. SFX, scales sliding over dry leaves. SFX, wet popping sound of jaw unhinging.
Quadrant bone allows the jaw to dislocate completely.
SFX, stretching skin and saliva sounds. A swallowing process that can take hours. Nature's slow machine.